Hello, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mamta Thapa, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do permanent eyebrow. I've already done once, I thought because it is getting fade. It's been more than I think 2 or 3 year I did this one, so I wanted to do once again. So I thought, why not to make a video for you guys? So I've already made my hair back. So I want to show you a few things. This is the permanent pigmentation equipment, the machine I'm gonna adjust one needle over here. I'm gonna put one needle over here, and it will be single round needle which I'll be using. It's a single round needle, so I have a box of single round needle over here. It's written, okay. So it's not there, बहुत सारे needles होते हैं, kind of different, and this one is a 5 round needle. Okay, this is the 5 round needle which I have, and it's of Kochi permanent makeup, right? So, and this is the microblading blade, because I do microblading also. So this is the microblading blade, and there are so many needle on in tip of this one, the blade, right? Okay, the first thing you have to do is, actually you need to, I have that cream which you apply on your eyebrow and your eyebrow will get numb. So फिर आपको पता नहीं चलेगा वो क्रीम अप्लाई करने के बाद कि आपका आईब्रो पेन नहीं होगा. बट आई डोंट यूज़ इट. आई थिंक इट्स बेटर इफ़ यू डोंट यूज़ इट. कस्टमर पे हम यूज़ करते हैं, बट मेक श्योर यू यूज़ योर दिस. Just hold on, I need to bring water. Okay, so what we're gonna do, the first thing is that we're gonna put needle on tip of this. Make sure that your needle and everything is fresh. Don't, अगर आपका आर्टिस्ट, आपका पिगमेंटेशन आर्टिस्ट निडल पहले से निकाल के रखा हुआ है, डाला हुआ है, तो मेक श्योर कि आप उनको बोलो कि वो चेंज कर रहे हैं. What you have to do, जो नुकीला साइड है, the sharp one, you keep it on top, और ये जो flat है on the back, you try to just push it inside. Okay, I think okay. So please that, and you need to cover it with this one. You need a very small, इसका बहुत छोटा सा टिप आना चाहिए, very small one. So if you see, I don't know if you can see it. I don't think so. It's still, it is visible. Yeah, it is visible a bit, if you see. So it's like this. This much only is enough. So what I'm gonna do is, this video is going to be long. I'm gonna show you one eyebrow first. Then I'm gonna finish one eyebrow and then later. Okay. This is your coloring tattoo ring. This is the color. I want to put that. Take few drops, don't take much. This much is enough, because I know that if I'm gonna use much, I'm gonna waste it. Okay, the first thing, you need to make shape, but I already have shape because I did it earlier also. Still, I'm telling you that we do it with thread, we give proper shape, or you can, whatever shape you want, you just make it like this. So this is what I want in my shape, and I want it to be a bit darker. And I dropped that pencil. As I'm a very clumsy person, right? Okay. I think the needle is too much out. I'm gonna put a bit inside more. Okay, this much is enough. Okay, this much is enough, I think. Okay. You dip it. यूजुअली क्या होता है, आपको हमें सिखाया गया कि जब आप डिप करते हो तो आप मशीन मत चलाओ, राइट? ओह माय गॉड, आई हैव जस्ट स्पॉइल्ड इट, राइट? तो हमें यही सिखाया जाता है कि ओह माय गॉड, आई एम सीरियसली, मैंने आई थिंक हाथ लगा दिया उधर. सो इट्स ऑल ब्लैक. So whatsoever, then it has to be black. तो हमें यही सिखाया जाता है कि आप जब डिप करते हो तो आप उसमें मत लगाओ, बट मेरे संग प्रॉब्लम ये है कि व्हेन आई यूज़ इट, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, डिप जब चल रहा हूँ मशीन तभी डिप करती हूँ, बिकॉज आई फील कंफर्टेबल लाइक दिस, राइट? सो let's add it. Oh, I have a mirror over here, so but I think you can see it. So take straight over this side. On the corner, take straight. आप इसको लास्ट में भी कर सकते हो, पहले ये वाला फिल कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन फिल इट फ्रॉम. ओके, आई विल ट्राई टू डू इट फ्रॉम दिस साइड फर्स्ट. द कॉर्नर का मेक श्योर कि आप ऐसे कर, फेदर शेप में, इधर ऐसे फेदर शेप में दीजिएगा. I'm getting tears in my eyes with this painting and this painting. जिस तरफ आपका बाल की ग्रोथ हो ना, बालों की, उसी तरफ कीजिएगा, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मत कीजिएगा. इट माइट लुक ऑकवर्ड एंड यू स्टॉप मे बी लुकिंग लाइक अ वेरी फेक आईब्रो लाइक काइंड. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक इट लुक नेचुरल, मेक श्योर कि आप उसको जहाँ आईब्रो की ग्रोथ है उधर की साइड ही करें. It's very easy. It just you should know how to do it. And it's not costly. It's only of 12,000. We take only 12,000 rupees. And you can get a beautiful eyebrow in 12,000. That also permanent one. So what I'm gonna do, I did my one now. So I'm gonna clean this. ये इतना काला नहीं है. So we need to clean it. So we can do another set. सो मैं एक आईब्रो पहले करूँगी, सो यू कैन सी कि कैसा लग रहा है. डिफरेंस, यू शुड नो द डिफरेंस. आई जस्ट ड्रॉप वाटर ऑन माय सूट. छत के दिमाग वाले रख. अब अगर आप देखोगे तो मेरा ये वाला पार्ट इनकम्प्लीट है. सो हम वी गोना डू, वी गोना फिल दिस पार्ट. ये जो गैपिंग दिख रही है बालों के बीच में, बाकी अगर इसके कंपैरिजन ये देखे तो ये डार्क हो गया है, राइट? Because we did. So what we gonna do? We gonna fill this part, ये वाला part. टूट के ताज जुड़े नहीं. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी कंफ्यूजन होता है कि यार मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है ना, करते वक्त आपको दिख नहीं रहा है, तो मेक श्योर कि आप पहले उसे साफ़ कर लो और गैपिंग जहाँ दिखती है वहीं करें. कहीं ऐसा ना हो वो एक्स्ट्रा चल जाए और बढ़ते 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 यू माइट स्टार्ट लुकिंग लाइक जैकल. सी, आई फील दैट. एंड व्हाट आई एम गोना डू, मैं इसको अभी भी हल्का हल्का गैपिंग दिख रहा है दो जगह, एक इधर बाकी भर गया, ये दो जगह अभी भी हल्का दिख रहा है ना. सो व्हाट वी गोना डू, वी गोना फिल दैट पार्ट आल्सो. मैंने बैंग काटे तो बैंग ऐसे हो रहे हैं. I'll keep it like so you can see. I mean, this is not hard, but it is not easy also to do. And that also when you're doing on your own, you might do mistakes. So make sure that you are not perfect. You're not an expert. Don't do it. Come to me. I love doing my permanent makeup. I have done my permanent lipstick also. The only problem with permanent lipstick is that कि आप उसे 6 महीने मैक्सिमम उतना ही रख सकते हैं. तेरी आँखों तो जद खो गया फिर तुम जानी वे तू तेरी पागल हो गया. Okay, let's make it a bit broad from this side. ठीक है. Because I don't have that much of eyebrow. No, it's not that I don't have. I have, but it is very light. If you see this part, and now you see this part. See the difference? This is very light. This is dark now. I think this much is enough. Ta-da! Now if you see the difference, this is dark and this is very light. See? So I'm gonna do this one also because I have left my customer over there with face plates. I told them that you have to keep it for 20-25 minutes. So I thought till then, oh, what I did, shit. I got scared. I thought पानी लगने के कारण खराब हो गया, but नहीं. It's just that adapter. Oh, I need to hold it like this. How to hold it now? That adapter is giving problem now. Come on, okay, it's working now. I want to finish it before my adapters get stuck. Can you see the difference? It's dark and this is light. So I'm gonna make this also dark because I don't want to look like just give like feather stroke so it should look natural. मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रही करती है वादा तू ही है इरादा मेरा नाम ले पिया मैं तेरी रुबाई तेरे ही पीछे पीछे. लाइनिंग में बहुत ध्यान दीजिएगा, बहुत ध्यान से, बिकॉज आपका एक डॉट के बगल में ही दूसरा डॉट शुरू होना चाहिए इसका, क्योंकि ऊपर नीचे हो गया तो आप अपना आईब्रो चौड़ा 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 करते जाएंगे. सो इसके बाद आई एम गोना डू परमानेंट आईलैश. आई विल गेट मेरे कस्टमर के ऊपर, इफ शी विल अलाउ आई विल मेक वीडियो. अच्छा, मैं एक बात और बता दूँ, माई मिस्टेक. लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माई परमानेंट आईब्रो, इफ़ यू सी, मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं लेके आई हूँ मैं ना, इधर पे नहीं किया मैंने. तो लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग एंड my brother came, my cousin brother came in front of me, and while talking to him only, I was making it. और मेरे से देखो, ओ बाबा रे, how long I have made over this side. तो यहाँ पे मेरा एक्चुअली बाल है ही नहीं, पर ये बड़ा हो गया थोड़ा सा ना. It looks odd. Over this side it's not like this. Over here it is. So जब आप बनाएंगे तो आप ध्यान दीजिएगा कि जहाँ तक बाल है वहीं तक करिए। अगर ज़्यादा लंबा चाहिए तो मेक श्योर कि फेदर शेप में ही दे। मैंने एक्चुअली उसे स्ट्रोक लंबा दे दिया, आई वॉज लर्निंग एट दैट टाइम, आई डिड मिस्टेक, डोंट डू दैट, यू डोंट डू दैट। So it is very easy, it's not time taking at all, it takes only 10 to 15 minutes to finish. The only thing which take times when you apply, you know, numbing cream, तो नमिंग क्रीम में आपका 20 से 25 मिनट रखना पड़ता है, वरना इफ़ यू आस्क मी मेरा काम सिर्फ 10 से 15 मिनट का, एंड आई फिनिश इट विद इन 10-15 डेज। जिसमें खुशबू कोई, जिसमें जैसे जंगी हुई, you can see, जिसमें जैसे सूरज की पहली किरण, I think this is done now, and I finished it within 16 minutes. And I got a new eyebrow. And if you see it, I got a diaper eyebrow now. Aren't you guys happy for me? I'm happy for myself. It is good if you know things by yourself, so you can, you know, make it and you can do it properly. And my customer is, she's there, and I have already taken 17 minutes of yours. So let me clean it. I'm cleaning it with water. You don't have to, if you are a sugar patient, that is the only problem, that is the only thing we try to not to do on those, you know, customer, because it's hard to heal and they might get some problem. So rest is okay. Okay, so feel free to contact us, and thank you so much once again. And if you see, my eyebrows are beautiful now, and I don't like to apply those, what do you call, and I can use, if you see, it's dark and it's not going anywhere. So thank you so much. And if you want to get your eyebrow done permanently, you want to get any shape, contact me. I always write my number below, so can you check it, do like, subscribe, go through with video completely so I can get the view, and press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. And if you need to get your eyebrow done, your permanent eyelash extension done, you want a beauty spot, black mole anywhere near your lips or anywhere in your body, just contact us. You want nail extension, because these are the fake nails. This one I broke today, I was just doing it and broke it, so it is the small one. Rest are artificial ones. So these nail art is done by me. So anything you want to get it done, dreadlock, contact me once again. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram. Have a beautiful and blessed day to you, every one of you. Bye bye.